Hello, today we're going to play Among Us because 63 of you guys, because Among Us is actually my most viewed video. We're going to do hide and seek mode because that's pretty cool. See, I hope I'm it. And if I keep rejoining and then I can't manage to play anymore, I'm going to clear it out so you guys don't have to wait like 20 minutes. I'm on my way to France right now. If I was on my way to France, I wouldn't be able to record this video. I'm going to be mental just extra France. Do I have any pets? Can I get any pets from this? From you? Oh, come on. Soon as I'm going to check on it, of course the game starts. It's just my look, isn't it? Literally just my look. Wait there, I'll be back. Oh wow, so. Oh wait, I forgot. Wait, where do I hide? I forgot that it was even this round. No, where shall I hide? I'm hiding here. I'm hiding with Big Daddy. No! Oh my god, that guy scared the fruitcakes out of me. Okay, let's join the new lobby. Don't worry. Oh. Yeet, come. Huh? Wasn't it just that 9 a minute ago? I'm gonna join this because it's the best, guys. Guys, if it's called the best, it's obviously the best. Oh, come on. Bro, people are leaving fast. Of course. Change that soon. Okay, let's see. Dun 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 dun. Oh, I'm scared of this mode though. Oh, right. Oh, I'm so scared. Hiding here. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Dun 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 dun. When am I in the summer? I'm gonna be uploading shorts because I'm gonna go off soon. By the way, I think I have a Fortnite video that's uploading soon. It's just gonna be like a 15-minute video. Now I'm gonna cut some bits out of me screaming. You didn't hear anything. I don't want to do this one. Oh what? Oh. No, please no. Please no. Please no. No. Oh my god. I'm scared I've ever been in my life. Please. Oh my god. Man, this music is good. La 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 la. My singing monster be like Ow, oh bloody hell, I'm cutting this out. Dang it! saw it before. No! How would it fall? I wasn't bloody see it. Oh, I'm not gonna get in this one. Soldier. I'm not gonna get in this one, aren't I? Why do I keep getting disconnected? I swear I'm not gonna be able to play in a minute. Oh, nothing's actually getting started. Oh, someone's red. Oh, I'm just gonna have to sag my colour. Oh, that hurt. No way! No actual way! Okay, I'm excited. I don't feel it will. Wait, what? Oh no. Ha 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 ha, my name's really pro. What? Let's go! Okay, I'm gonna end it here because I wasn't expecting